Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI, and I have here an amazing portfolio that I absolutely love. My whole family loves it, and I think you're gonna love it too. Let me show you about it. This Wundermax portfolio has everything you need. I love that it includes even a pad of paper that fits perfectly. If you have binder paper or a presentation, you can store that as well. And the amount of pockets that it comes with, the storage is really impressive. My husband loved to be able to put his phone, his wallet, his cards, whatever he needed in this portfolio. It also has a great space for an iPad. You can see the size is perfect for the iPad. My husband loves it because it's great on the go. You can zip it up, and the amount of things you can put in it is just perfect. But he's not the only one. My son stole this, and he absolutely loves it. He loves that he can use the pad of paper and store his pens, and he does have times where he has to sit quietly, and this portfolio was perfect for him. He had extra colored pencils, he had his little fidget toys, whatever he needed to sit quietly, it's the perfect size for him. He even was able to store his tablet, and he just thinks it's the best thing. It's a great size whether you're an adult or even for a child. This Wunderlux portfolio is something that I know you're going to use a long time. I know my family is, and I think I'm going to have to get more because everyone in my family keeps fighting over it. But that's just my point of view.